Dixie. Come here, Dixie. You want a snack? Come here. Come on.
The dogs identified a number of suspicious areas. Investigators found
Dixie, your house is a mess.
on the floor, possibly used to carry flammable.
It looks like a pigsty. Dixie, come on out.
Dr. Farrar's desk. Investigators
Dixie, I got a snack. Come on, Dixie. Come on. Come on out. Dixie. Dixie girl. Oh, man, you're going to make me do it, aren't you? Dixie? Dixie, want to sneak? You want to sneak? There's my stupid voice. Come on. Come on. Come on out. Dixie, come on. Oh, come on. You're just being a fart.
the path led directly to Deborah Green's bedroom door.
That fire was set
Dixie, you have to come out.
with the intent of doing a tremendous
Dixie.
amount of damage to that house and cutting
Dixie, you have to come out. No, I'm not getting. No, you come out here now. Come
The
on.
analysis of the burn patch
Dixie.
on the bedroom door contradicted Deborah Green's.
Dixie, come on out. Come on.
Deborah said her bedroom door
Dixie, that's why you have a big butt. Come on out. Come on.
closed the door before
Dixie.
running outside for help.
Dixie. Dixie wants to sneak. Come on. Come on. I'm going to put it up here. Yeah, I'm going to put it up here. Come out of your house.
The door jamb revealed the safe
Come out of your pigsty. Come on.
had been closed.
Come on.
The door jamb would have been protected from the fire.
That big old head.
It was completely covered with soot. In the
Come on. Come on.
was Deborah's bathrobe, wrapped in a ball on the floor. On the underside of the robe were burns.
Dixie, you coming out? Come on.
At some point,
Okay.
the person wearing the robe
Sorry.
came very close to the flames.
Come on.
The neighbor said Deborah's
Come on.
hair was wet when she ran over asking
Dixie.
for help.
Dixie.
This did not come as a surprise.
Oh my gosh.
Investigators.
I know the light hurt your eyes, huh?
actually
Does it hurt your eyes?
ignited that accelerant outside of her bedroom door and in the hallway. That there was enough vapor present that there was quite a flash. More of a flash than she probably was prepared for.
Come on.
When she did that,
Come on out.
I believe that is when she
Show your beautiful self.
the right side of her head.
With a search warrant, detectives took a sample of Deborah's hair. Microscopic
There you go.
that Deborah's hair showed signs of heat damage consistent with
There you go.
high-intensity flame. The damage to Deborah's hair
Oh, sorry.
was extensive since the sample wasn't collected until
Oh,
her haircut.
big, beautiful girl.
Bill Chapin is a forensic chemist whose job was to analyze the fire debris evidence from the Farrar home. Fire debris is stored in metal canisters which preserve any vapors which may
There,
still
see?
be present. The canisters are heated to between 80 and 90 degrees centigrade, and the air inside removed. If the vapors contain accelerants or hydrocarbons, they're trapped in charcoal filters. The filters
No.
are then rinsed with a neutral solvent, carbon disulfide, and the mixture is placed